Yep, getting the load out. There you go. If you pull,
Yep, I'm pulling. So nicely presented, and they send this to the likes of people like us who they think have a nice audience who would appreciate to buy these and collect them. And it's really cool because what's really nice about what they've done is they've actually put down "It's how we roll" on the side. So they love our tagline, so they've actually added it to this, which is wonderful. So without further ado, Carmen's going to show you one of the first diecasts. So which one have you got there, by the way?
That's not one of the...
Oh, it's the card.
It's
Sorry.
the card. Sorry.
I didn't realise.
This is the collection card, so you know what goes into that collection. And I believe after this card, they already had 2 more, at least 2
so
more.
that is Series 1.
That's Series 1.
And I believe Series 2 is going to launch at the end of February after the Supercon in Las Vegas that's taking place, where they're going to launch officially Series 2 in the US. And I think then obviously in the UK and Europe, we're talking March, April, May possibly, that then we'll start to see these. Maybe both series. I don't know how they're going to launch them. But check these out. They're like a manga cartoon blown up version of Hot Wheels. It's incredibly cool. I mean, we love these. These are absolutely fantastic. What's this one?
64 Chevy Impala.
And then we've got, what we've got here, 65 Chevy Blazer. Absolutely really cool. And I was told that most likely for the European market, they'll probably do some European style cars. So we'll get some British cars, not just American as well. So we're excited to see what that happens.
That's a 57 Chevy Bel Air.
Yep. Yeah, the Bel Air is so cool, man.
Yeah, I love that Bel Air.
Chevy Camaro. It looks so freaking funky. It's like proper cartoonized. It's like that manga influence that Luis has put into these. It's brilliant. And the packaging as well. I love the packaging. Bold, it's colourful.
Yes.
And do you know what? The world's gone so stale these days. We need colour back. So champion.
And these are metal. They are not plastic like other diecasts are. These are proper metal. They have some heaviness to them, which is very nice in the hand.
That's right.
I've got here a Corvette.
And the craziest part about this is like people have already started buying them in America since August, and they've already started customizing them. And we've started a challenge in every issue of Diecast Heroes, and I'll show you here what some have done.
I'll show you the C10 while Sony is... I love those wheels as well. Can you see the wheels? Goldie, and it's flake metal.
Okay, so basically every issue now will have a challenge base for the cartoon community as well as Diecast at large. And these guys already have only just got them, and they're already starting to modify them, which is absolutely amazing, with incredible paint jobs, chopping them in half, doubling them up, slamming them to the floor, swapping wheels. What else got here? Our friend Flying Valiant Chuck has done like a barn find version of a Chevy, which is just absolutely wild. So it's just going to get bigger, and they've literally taken off like a storm. These are going to be so successful and popular, and we're really happy for Luis and the team at MJ Entertainment because these are really cool.
Just so this is covered off for all the curious people. This is a can, which is obviously it's
like an oil can, isn't it? Oil can style design
with the cartoon logo at the bottom. There's a T-shirt in it, which is twice the size as
it's massive. It's like a triple X. Yeah, it's true.
Which is funny.
It's really weird.
We love it. We absolutely love it. So there we go.
So that's kind of a bit long of a sort of a conversation, but it's been a while that we've been on camera to speak to you guys, and we appreciate all the love and support. Any new followers who've just come aboard, thank you so much for supporting us. We've got so much more coming now.